Carbon overwrapped rotor, you've got to wind it at extremely high tension. We actually had to design the machine that makes the rotor. So no such machine existed before.
This began as a whisper in the wind, not an announcement, not a press release. Just the quiet hum of something powerful, moving faster than thought, faster than fear. It came from behind Tesla's sealed doors, where engineers weren't just designing cars, they were undoing the rules of physics. A motor was born. But not one that whines or rattles. This one surges, silently, brutally, efficiently. And when they revealed it, the auto industry didn't blink. It froze. Because this wasn't a step forward, it was a boundary broken. And it's already rewriting what the future of driving feels like. The dream behind the machine. There's always been something different about Tesla, not just in how it builds cars, but in how it thinks. Elon Musk didn't want to create a cleaner alternative. He wanted to destroy the argument that electric cars had to be a compromise. From the beginning, Tesla's mission was clear: build a car so advanced that no one would dare to call it just electric. Speed wasn't a bonus, it was the message. If they could outrun Ferraris, they could silence the critics. That's how it started, not with policy, not with marketing, but with obsession. Tesla wanted to create a vehicle that wouldn't just match gas-powered supercars, it would humiliate them. That mission led to a new way of thinking about performance. No tailpipe, no excuses. Just the fastest, smartest, most advanced machines ever put on the road. And now, with their latest motor, Tesla didn't tweak an old system. They started over. What emerged wasn't a refinement. It was a reset, a signal to the world that the age of compromise is over. Tesla isn't here to participate, it's here to dominate. And in doing so, it's also reshaping what every other automaker is now forced to chase. What makes this motor different? It's easy to miss the revolution when it looks so small. At the center of Tesla's breakthrough is a rotor. Not flashy, not glowing, just a quiet killer wrapped in carbon. Traditional electric motors use metal rotors that expand and warp under stress. Push them hard and they fight back, heating, vibrating, failing. Tesla's engineers didn't redesign the rotor, they replaced the entire concept. Carbon fiber doesn't expand like metal. It stays stable at extreme speeds. That one change unlocked something no other automaker had achieved: an EV motor spinning at over 20,000 revolutions per minute. That number might not mean much on paper, but on the road it means no hesitation, no lag, no limit. It's the reason Tesla's new Plaid can go from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. But this motor isn't just fast, it's efficient, stronger, lighter, cooler. With fewer moving parts and less material fatigue, it redefines reliability. While others tweak and optimize, Tesla rewrote the playbook. This motor isn't just a step forward. It's the moment every competitor realized they were running a race that Tesla quietly finished, before they even left the starting line. It changes the equation for torque, longevity, and energy use, all at once. Speed without sacrifice. Speed always comes at a price. Or at least it used to. Gas-powered supercars burn fuel and scream through gears to achieve their blistering performance. Electric cars, too, have often had to trade range and efficiency for a taste of speed. But Tesla's new motor changes that equation entirely. It delivers outrageous acceleration without the usual penalties. No sudden heat spikes, no rapid battery drain, no heavy cooling systems bolted on as an afterthought. Instead, you get a clean surge of energy that feels effortless. Underneath, the engineering is anything but simple. But to the driver, it's magic. You press the pedal and you're gone, launched forward in total silence. What Tesla achieved wasn't just a faster car. They made speed practical. You don't have to think twice before flooring it. The motor doesn't punish you for having fun. It rewards you. By keeping the system cooler, lighter, and more compact, Tesla created a vehicle that doesn't have to pick between performance and usability. It has both, fully. This isn't muscle for the sake of showmanship. This is engineering that understands joy and delivers it instantly. And that joy stays consistent, whether you're on a racetrack or merging onto a highway. The end of range anxiety. Range anxiety was once the biggest fear for electric car owners. The creeping doubt. The eyes were glued to the battery percentage. The endless mental calculations about distance and charging stops. Tesla didn't just attack that fear, they removed it. Their new motor, paired with the 4680 battery cells, doesn't just conserve energy, it maximizes every electron. This motor sips power but delivers performance like it's guzzling it. It's smooth, steady, and shockingly efficient. Combine that with a battery designed for faster charging, longer life, and better thermal management, and the result is electric vehicles that can go farther than ever, without babysitting the throttle. Tesla has found the balance. You can drive like a maniac and the car won't punish you. You can take long road trips without plotting your journey around charging stations. The system is built to last and built to perform. Most of all, it gives the driver confidence, not the kind that comes from reading specs on a website, but the kind you feel behind the wheel when you realize that this car doesn't just promise range and speed, it delivers both every single time. Even on rougher terrain or under extreme weather conditions, the powertrain doesn't flinch or hesitate. Built for scale. Technology means nothing if it can't scale. That's where Tesla's real strength shows. The motor itself is impressive, but it's how Tesla builds it that leaves the competition stunned. Other automakers are retrofitting factories built for gas engines. Tesla isn't. Its gigafactories are purpose-built from the ground up for one goal: speed, speed of production, speed of innovation, speed of iteration. From single-piece castings to vertically integrated supply chains, Tesla has created an industrial system as lean and aggressive as its vehicles. The carbon-wrapped motor is the perfect match for this system. Fewer rare materials, fewer moving parts, fewer delays. It slides into the process without friction, allowing Tesla to produce more units faster and cheaper. While rivals are still battling suppliers or modifying outdated platforms, Tesla is shipping finished cars. It's not a lucky break. It's the result of designing the product and the factory in parallel. This isn't just engineering, it's strategy. The motor may grab headlines, but the real power lies in Tesla's ability to repeat that miracle over and over at a global scale, because a breakthrough means nothing if you can't deliver it to millions. Smarter than you think. The hardware grabs attention, but the real genius lives in the code. Tesla's vehicles aren't just machines, they're students. Every mile driven feeds a neural network learning how to drive better, safer, and smarter. Full self-driving, or FSD, isn't just software. It's a teacher and a pupil rolled into one. And this motor? It's built to work with that brain. Responsive, precise, silent when needed, brutal when commanded. No other automaker has this ecosystem. Competitors rely on static maps, test tracks, and limited data. Tesla relies on the real world. It learns in motion, and the result is a feedback loop no one else can match. Every Tesla driving right now is collecting data, feeding AI, and helping build a smarter, more adaptive driving model. And here's the twist. Tesla doesn't stop learning after delivery. Over-the-air updates mean each car gets better over time. New features, better handling, smarter responses. It's not just about putting the best motor on the road today. It's about making it better tomorrow. While other cars get older, Teslas evolve. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying into a living, learning system. And that makes everything else feel outdated. A global machine. Tesla doesn't just build for one market, it builds for the world. While other automakers debate which countries to enter and how, Tesla is already there, expanding gigafactories, launching new models, and establishing direct-to-consumer pipelines. No dealerships, no middlemen, just a clean, digital buying experience. In India, South America, and the Middle East, Tesla isn't waiting. It's moving. And with every new region, the carbon-wrapped motor becomes cheaper and faster to produce. The vertical integration Tesla has mastered, where design, manufacturing, battery supply, and even AI happen under one roof, means it can enter markets faster than traditional automakers can even prepare. Each gigafactory isn't just a plant. It's a launch pad, a signal that Tesla is preparing to do more than compete. It's there to dominate. And while its rivals face setbacks, chip shortages, supplier problems, and outdated models, Tesla keeps accelerating. The motor, the software, the batteries, the factories, they all connect. The system feeds itself. And the result is something terrifying for competitors. Consistency, performance, scale, reach. Tesla is no longer the underdog. It's the global blueprint for how to win the future. One factory, one country, one vehicle at a time. This motor isn't the end of a chapter. It's the spark that starts the next book. A book where range anxiety vanishes, where cars learn, where power doesn't scream, it whispers. Tesla didn't just break a barrier, it built a new standard, faster, smarter, cleaner. While others are still testing yesterday's ideas, Tesla has already delivered tomorrow. And when the world finally understands what just happened, it won't be because Tesla shouted. It'll be because the rest of the industry stopped moving, and the only thing they'll hear is the silence of something already gone, far ahead.